people, so good to have you back. My face mask has just finished and I want to do a new one. This is honey, pure honey, and this is my turmeric powder. So this is all I have left, so I'm going to use it. And this is my little container where I will store my face mask, and this is the container I'm using to mix, and also rubber spoon. So this time, because I'm not going to make any measurement, because I'm going to use all of it, everything that is left, I'm going to use it, so I'm not going to measure anything else. So I mix. Anytime I have breakout or acne, I do use this face mask. So it really works for me. It has worked for me and it's still working for me. So I hope it works for you too. So below this video, there's a link which there's a link to a video which shows my 8 days turmeric and skincare routine. You see how I was before and then after using this, and my other face cream, and my face changed. So maybe you can check it out if you want. So this is okay, and then all I have to do is to store it in my little can. So that is all for the turmeric face mask. So this is all. I thought it was going to be enough to fill the 2, but I was wrong. So it only filled 1 can. That's okay. So thank you for watching. Till next time, bye-bye. Don't forget to check the video I told you about and see what you like. Bye.